Yesterday, I got called out to a customer who said that lightning had struck his house, or at least he thought that that was the case, and called me out to look at the electrical issues going on at his house. And we were looking at the lighting. First, he thought he had a handful of lights that weren't working, but he actually had about 2/3 of all the lights within the house not working. They were flickering, they were going in and out, some were failing as we were looking at it. Now, the second issue was the air conditioning on the second floor. They said it wasn't working, so we thought, well, if the lights were damaged, the air conditioning circuits, either the circuit board or contactor or capacitor or something got damaged too. So we checked it out, everything worked fine. However, the compressor was working, but it wasn't cooling. So I put my gauges on it and we had 0 PSI. So no refrigerant within the system. And so I started tracing down the line set in the home and realized it actually ran all the way to the top of the house. It was at the furthest, highest point of the house. So my theory is that lightning struck the line set, burned a hole in it, released the refrigerant, and then traveled down the line set into the electrical system and spread throughout the house. Now, the challenge I'm running into is the fact that the line sets were drilled in. They brought the line sets in along the exterior wall, brought them through, and then took it up the exterior wall into the small, quote unquote, attic space. But it's all embedded in spray foam. Even in the attic above, that's all living space. And so the line set is embedded in behind drywall and spray foam the whole way. So we found a spot where we could go through a bulkhead that's surrounding a ductwork trunk run. And so we're actually using the mechanical room. So that's the unit for the first floor with this trunk. And it goes up through there. So we're using that bulkhead to come out here and tie into the line set right here. But this has become a little bit of a pain because we're having to cut through the exterior wall to even get access to the line set. So what I ended up doing is using an RLS fitting, or press fitting, to tie in my liquid and my suction lines. And so I have the new lines bypassing here and eliminating the ones that go up. And so anyway, we're going to try to clean this up and tuck this back in the wall